How engineers do it. Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video we'll start with a course Six Sigma for Beginners by How Engineers Do It. So let's begin. So firstly, let's understand what is Six Sigma and why you should learn Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a methodology in order to reduce the number of defects in your process. So the reason why you should learn Six Sigma is because if you're a student, this gives you a lot of job opportunities, and also if you're already at work and if you are looking for a promotion or something, this gives you recognition at work, because this Six Sigma studies is all about improving a process. So this course will help you to think in a broader perspective, will help you to look at process, will help you to look at customers the way you actually should look at in order to improve the process, in order to improve the output, etc. So now coming to an employer, if you're an employer, then probably you will be looking at Six Sigma in order to improve customer satisfaction. So if you're a company, or if you're part of the company, or if you're in good position at your company, probably you will be looking at improving customer satisfaction, and also to improve sales, profit, revenue. All these things would happen if you have a good process in hand, if you have minimal number of defects. And coming to educational institution, so probably you will be running a lot of course in your institution, and probably this one Six Sigma course would be something which you might have to add in your curriculum, because this gives you an idea for the candidates and for the students to think in a Six Sigma way, or in a quality way, at the very early stage of their career. So companies prefer candidates having Six Sigma certification. So rather than just MBA certification, probably an MBA plus Six Sigma would be very beneficial. So this another thing about Six Sigma is it's not like the other course where you do Six Sigma, or you do Six Sigma but you're not getting a job in any other field, like in IT field or maybe in mechanical field or something. Six Sigma is a methodology which will help you to excel in any kind of field that you go, because it's all about process, improving the process, reducing the defects. So let's welcome and let's start the course, and see you in the next video. Thank you and stay tuned.